Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to show you something. First of all, I'm at 179 subscribers. But the thing is, the view density is increasing. By that I mean not just one view is pushing, but there are multiple. There's 48, 48, and it looks like push is over there. It's a little spike. But the thing is, the lowest entry has 101 views in the last 48 hours. And I see that a lot is from today or yesterday, 29th, 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 30th, 30th, 29th, 30th, 29th, 29th, 30th. That's good. And even 28th is a lot. So new videos are paying off. Like from yesterday, over 1K. That's a short. That's great. It died down. I see here that sometimes people watch a bit still after that big spike. And from the old ones are way less. Yeah, 25, but that's an own. It's about to go down. But that's pretty good. That's why I wanted to show you guys. And also, this is a long format video. But the thing is that it decreases a bit. The only thing I'm worrying about now is subscribers. So please subscribe, because the watch time is already 6.2K. So I'm only missing subscribers now. Anyways, see you guys in the next one. Bye.